Hi, today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Assistant on your lock screen on your POCO X6 Pro. So let's start. We're going to the settings and we need to find a Google settings right here. We go into the all services, search assistant and voice, and we are pressing Google Assistant right here. Hey Google and voice match, first one, and we are turning it on so the blue color is up here. And now we will retrain our voice. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. So now we retrained our voice for Google. Next, we can go to lock screen settings right here, and we just pressing it. So the blue color is up here, and now it means that our Google Assistant will work even when our screen is locked. So let's try it. Hey Google. See, it's working. Amazing. So I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching it.